mulch of nature's dead. The stinkhorn mushroom claims its bed. With disregard for human shame, the fungus lord will claim its fame. Mycorrhiza owns the night, while standing strong in ancient might. 1,000 minds will contemplate the shortfalls of the human race. Some bow their head to this fungal freak. Some say the words yet cannot speak. Their hearts are filled with shock and rage. Their jealousy keeps them out of phase. No mortal hand could plan this art. It moves through nerve, it claims the heart. Behold infection's proudest scar.
It looks like a zombie hole.
It looks like a zombie wiener. It will grow, you freak of nature. Spread your spores, a close creation. It looks like a zombie wiener, bringer of fungi salvation. It looks like a zombie wiener. Oh, grow, you freak of nature. Through bark and moss its tendrils creep, a crown of death where angels weep. The forest bows, the insects kneel, the stinkhorn lord begins to heal. From rotten wood to human skin, the age of fungus will begin. Science trembles, prophets pray. The Mycel king now claims the day.
It looks like a zombie hole.
It looks like a zombie wiener. Hit low, you freak of nature. Spread your spores, look this creation. It looks like a zombie wiener. The forest is your leader. Oh, it looks like a zombie wiener. It'll grow, you freak of nature.
It looks like a zombie wiener.
It looks like a zombie wiener. Oh, grow, you freak of nature. Spread your spores, hopeless creation. It looks like a zombie wiener. The universe can continue. Oh, it looks like a zombie wiener. And when they ask what ends the man, just show the stalk and say, my